Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. I'm going to do lipstick today, and I am going to do, what am I going to do? Urban Decay Manic liner. Oh dear. Maybe I need to sharpen it. Hang on. Alright, here's a question for you. Do you use a special makeup sharpener for your pencils, eyeliners, and stuff? Or do you just use whatever's laying around? Because yeah, I just used whatever was laying around. So, here it go. Gonna line. And over the top of that, I'm gonna use this Sephora number 9. Isn't it pretty? I went too high. See, my only problem with this is I didn't go super sparkly with my eyes. Yeah, I got some in the corner. I like a sparkly lip. I got gold accents. So I'm gonna put this MPL Dreamscape over the top of it. It's gold. Just a little, just to make it, you know, a little sparkly. Because I cannot resist a sparkle. Alright, so what do you think? I'm gonna do my hair and make some make some videos. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.